In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for a job title on Glassdoor, Job Search 2026. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find roles that match your title and location, and how to quickly scan the results so you don't miss great opportunities. First, open your browser and go to glassdoor.com. You can do this on desktop or mobile, but a larger screen makes it easier to compare listings. Make sure you're on the official website so your search tools and filters work as expected. Next, sign in to your Glassdoor account. We'll keep this quick. Logging in helps you see more tailored results and lets you save jobs and searches for later. If you're already signed in, you're good to go. Once you're on the homepage, take a second to get oriented. You'll see a top navigation bar with options such as jobs, companies, and salaries. That bar is your main control center for searching and comparing roles. Click Jobs in the top navigation. If you're on a smaller screen and don't see it immediately, open the menu icon to reveal it. The Jobs section brings up the search interface you'll use for titles and locations. Now select the search area. You'll typically see two fields, one for the job title or keywords, and one for the location. This is where you'll get specific. Type the job title you're targeting into the first field. For example, Project Manager, Data Analyst, or UX Designer. In the location field, enter the city or country you want. Or type Remote if you're open to working from anywhere. If your role has multiple common titles, try a couple of variations to catch more listings. You can also narrow or broaden the location radius if you're flexible on commute or time zones. Then, run the search. On the results page, browse through the listings and select the roles that look promising. Open a job to read the full details and description carefully, including responsibilities, qualifications, location requirements, compensation notes, and application instructions. Use the available filters to refine what you see. Options like date posted, salary range, experience level, company rating, employment type, and remote or hybrid can help you zero in on the best matches. If you're seeing too many results, sort by most recent to focus on fresh postings. If you want precision, sort by relevance. As you evaluate, watch for key skills that appear repeatedly across postings. Those are signals of what employers value. When you find strong matches, keep track of them so you can apply with a focused, tailored resume. And that's it. Follow these steps anytime you want to quickly search for a specific title on Glassdoor and surface the most relevant opportunities.